to use the Data and Report filter. Report Builder. The Report Builder is one of Keystone's most powerful features. Most reports will have a Report Builder section towards the bottom of the mega filter. Items available within the Report Builder section will depend upon the selected report. Some reports will have more Report Builder options, others will have fewer. In this video, we will review the common Report Builder options that you will find across almost all Keystone reports. Transaction type. Keystone tracks all of your district's financial transactions. This includes both posted transactions as well as expenditure and revenues that have been accrued. The transaction type filter allows you to filter accrued transactions into and out of report results. Description source. Every Keystone transaction line, whether an expenditure, an encumbrance, or a budget, will have an associated description. These descriptions come directly from district report data. In Keystone, we also have the ability to assign custom descriptions for each vendor in the system. The description source filter allows you to choose between the district report description or the custom vendor description for each line. This feature provides flexibility and convenience when attempting to build reports for specific audiences. Budget type. Budgets can be entered into Keystone as original budgets or as budget changes. When Without Budget Changes is selected, your budget figures will be displayed in a single column. When With Budget Changes is selected, columns will be generated for original budgets, budgets changes, and total budget. Subtotals and organized by. You can choose to include subtotals in your results by toggling the Subtotals Report Builder option. When selected, a subtotal line will appear after every group of site codes or project type codes. If you have Organized by Site selected, the report will display results by order of site code and will provide subtotals at the site level. Conversely, if you have Organized by Project type selected, results will be displayed by order of your project type code and subtotals will be provided at the project type level. Cost to complete. For many Keystone reports, default column headings are Total Budget, Encumbered, Expenditures, Remaining Budget, and Encumbered Balance. When the Cost to Complete Report Builder option is selected, the Remaining Budget column will be removed from report results and instead you will see a Cost to Complete column along with a calculated percentage. PDF report options. Every Keystone report can be saved as a PDF file with some available formatting options. Hide cents. When selected, this option will display whole numbers instead of including the cents on all figures. Note, figures do not get rounded to the nearest dollar. The cents are simply hidden. Hide page numbers. When selected, this option will remove the page numbers from the bottom of the PDF file. This is a useful feature in case you're incorporating a Keystone PDF into a separate document. Hide cover page. When PDFs are saved, Keystone will generate a cover page which displays the filter criteria under which the report was run. The Hide Cover Page option allows you to remove this cover page. Hide empty rows. Sometimes a transaction will be journaled into and out of a particular account string, resulting in a total row that nets out to 0. These results generally clutter up a report and can cause confusion. When selected, the Hide Empty Rows option will remove these types of rows from report results.